Hello, Freshman Composition 1 students. Many of you have started your research paper. I've approved some topics and outlines for you, but I wanted to go over the library database again with you because some of you are struggling with finding the research tools that you need. If you sign into Atlas, you can go to search the library, and you have your library databases, library home, research guides. If you go here to the research guides, I already provided you with a link, but you can always find the link easily just by looking under the ENC 1101, and here I am. Burns, a researched argumentative essay. They have the assignment information available so that the librarians can help you. And this will give you finding articles. It gives you information on what databases I suggest are most helpful for this assignment. I also wanted to go over some things like library hours and contact, because many of you are struggling. You don't know how to research online. And let me see if it goes through. Being slow. Go back to the library and see library service. Ask a librarian. Here, this is what I want you to realize is that you can contact the library and ask for help at any time. You can text them during their scheduled hours. You can chat with them, or you can contact them via email. So if you're working on your research paper and you have a specific topic that you can't find evidence to support that idea, pop into the chat and ask for help. If you give them that, they will come online with you, possibly a Zoom or through chat, and show you how to find the information that you need. The librarians are also excellent at helping with citation information. They do not help you with your writing your paper like the Writing Center does, but they can help you with citation information, especially pulling the citation information off of the databases. So this is something I wanted to remind everybody of this week. You're not alone. You can Zoom with me at any time during regular hours. I'm happy to help you, but you also have the resources of the librarian, and they are experts at finding evidence for different topics. If I can't find evidence in something I'm writing, I ask them for help because that's what they've studied, and they're really, really good at looking through and finding what's needed. So this is just a reminder of how to do this. I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to hearing from some of you. Thank you.